guys, welcome back to the YouTube. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm so excited because all the holiday stuff is out in stores right now, and I know it's only October something, but I am here for the Christmas spirit. I've been waiting all freaking year of 2020 for this time of year, and we're finally here. So I think I'm honestly gonna put up my Christmas decor tomorrow. So if you guys see my tree up in the background, don't come for me, but I ended up running to a few different places. I kind of just shoved everything in this bag. I went to Home Goods, Target, and TJ Maxx. I love a good Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, you know, it's all the same run, because you just, I don't know, it feels like the lottery. You know, if you see something, you probably should get it because it's probably not going to be there the next time that you go back and you think about it. But they had some really good deals, and you could see a little peekaboo of some fun festive decor that I had picked up for my studio apartment. So I guess this is going to be like studio apartment home decor haul, balling on a budget. Okay, that's the vibe for the video today. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If you guys are new, welcome to my YouTube. My name's Kayla Lashae. I do a ton of lifestyle videos, health, fitness. We're on a weight loss journey, we're on a hair journey, we're on a spiritual journey. So all of that kind of stuff you guys will find over here on my YouTube channel. And I'm all about balling on a budget and just doing things an affordable way. So let me put this down. She's a little heavy. Okay, so the first thing, I already washed it because I just could not wait to put it to use. And I found this beautiful throw. I was looking for a throw like this that was like a faux fur. I didn't really know what I wanted to do, but I knew that I wanted something to brighten up and cozy up this couch. By the way, I'll link my couch down below. I got it on Overstock. It's probably still on sale, and it ships in pieces. So if you're like me and you live by yourself, you can easily put the thing together and carry it up to your unit, whatever. So there's this pillow back there that I also found from Home Goods, and there's a blanket that matches it. So this is from Nicole Miller. I believe it was $20, and it's this beautiful like chinchilla, I think that's what it's supposed to be, faux chinchilla print, and then the back is just this fleece material, so it's super cozy and exactly what I needed for this couch. I think the color is perfect enough to brighten it up, and I have like these throw pillows that are also from Home Goods, all that type of thing. So I'm just gonna put that back on the couch. Man, now all I want to do is snuggle up with I don't know, a cup of tea or something. So I got that for the apartment, and they have the best throws. I did a little bit of like a shop with me, so I'll probably include that in this video today so you can see kind of what's in stores. I know a lot of us aren't just going to the store just to go, so hopefully this will help give you guys a little bit of an idea of what you can expect when you do decide to go shopping for your holiday stuff. So the next thing I got is this tree, and this is the nostalgic 12-inch Christmas tree. It's ceramic, and the thing lights up, so we can kind of just, there we go. You can't really see because my studio lights. But my grandma, oh my gosh, she is like the Christmas queen, and she has just so much crazy decor. If you guys are familiar with my Vlogmas vlogs, I've taken you to her place before, and you can just see how insane she does her decorations. So this definitely kind of reminded me of home, except hers is more traditional and it's green. But I love the pink. If you guys know from Vlogmas, all of my Christmas decor is pink. I want it to be like a pink wonderland or something. So every year I like to pick up a few new pieces just to add to my collection and make my Christmas decor a little bit more special, so I can remember, oh my gosh, like that's when I bought that item. So yeah, I got this tree, and it was only $17. And I like buying Christmas decor that is going to hold up over the years instead of getting like those wired trees with all the glitter. You know, it just gets glitter everywhere, and I just feel like it looks not nice. So this is totally something I wanted to add to my collection, and you do need to get batteries for this. I think this is literally just to see what it looks like. I don't really know what this is, but they have a bunch of these out in the stores right now, so definitely check those out. Yes, I'm so excited. So I got to show you guys a little bit of the candles. They have such a good selection of candles. If you need to get candles, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, all of that is definitely the place to go. And I just wanted to see if they had any good like winter scents. I'm trying to get through all the pumpkin stuff that I had purchased from Bath and Body Works. so that I can bust open all the winter stuff. But this is such a big candle. You guys have no idea how insane this is. I don't even know, does it say on here? 25 ounces. Bath and Body Works could never. This was literally $7.99. $7.99. Do you guys see how big this thing is? And it has a cute little Christmas top to it. And this is the Sand and Fog soy wax candle, which soy burns so much more clean. It doesn't smell toxic in the air. And it's the Fraser Fir. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but it smells like, oh my god, like a sweet pine tree. It reminded me of the Christmas tree farms, like when I was a little kid. My parents do not decorate that house anymore for holiday. But my dad would take my brother and I to the Christmas tree farms to pick out our own tree, and we'd bring our saw and we would saw the thing down and take it home. Like, this is what I'm here for, and that's why I love the holidays, is because you just get all these memories from past years, and scents trigger amazing emotions. So I definitely wanted to, oh my gosh, get this for my apartment. And the sleeve is a little bit beat up, but for $8, I'm not mad. Now let's get into the good stuff. Lots of fun things in here. Oh, I'm excited for this. She's excited. Okay, so when we used to put our Christmas trees up, we have, or had, because like I said, past tense, we had an angel as our topper for the tree. And I don't really have a good topper. I never really had a good one, but I was always waiting to find that thing that just made me feel so joyful inside, and that is where I came upon a black angel. Yes, at Home Goods, you guys, they had even black Santa Clauses, which I never see at places like Target, so I had to snatch this up. This was $16.99, and I don't really know the brand, but she's beautiful. She has a pink dress on. She has her harp in her hands with a cute little bow, and then these beautiful wings. Oh my gosh, she's gonna look so cute. Isn't it cute? He thinks it's a toy. I also found this beautiful ceramic tree. I think I got this one from TJ Maxx. This was $12.99, and I think this will be really cute, obviously for decor somewhere in my space, but it's pink and I couldn't pass it up. They also had a cute like blue one as well, like a pastel blue, but this is just really beautiful, and it's gonna definitely last me for years to come. And I didn't really have many decorative pieces that I could kind of do like a cute little setup with, so I think maybe on my TV stand or something, or my nightstand table, that would be really cute. And then I always like to do Christmas cards to send home to my family, and they have the best selection again at these places. So I found these holiday cards, and these were $4.99, you guys. So there's 15 in here, and it's giving me Burberry vibes. So I thought that was super cute. Can't wait to write these out and send them home to my family. And I'll probably do some fun Christmas cards in your orders during, you know, December time for my candles and everything over on my Poshmark. So if you guys want to shop, hit me up. Write you guys a cute little note. But I loved these. They had some really cute Christmas cards, so highly recommend. What else did I get from there? This was from TJ's. I love the beauty section, and honestly I don't shop over there enough. They have such good finds for really good prices. I almost feel like it's an Amazon in real life experience. So I got these microfiber hair turban towels. I think there's only one in here. $4 for these. I wash my hair a lot. I do a lot of just like wash and go styles, and sometimes I don't want to go to bed with my hair soaking wet, so I think this will be something really useful for me. And I love them. It says that it reduces blow dry time, and it's ultra absorbent, and it stays secure on your head. So definitely needed to pick one of those up. And then another beauty item I saw was this Callus Remover, you know. So I needed to try this out because we haven't been to the nail salon to get a pedicure in a minute. So I think this will be interesting. I'm not sure if I have to use it wet or dry, but it was so cheap. How much was this? $5.99. And my favorite thing that I love is the Macadamia hair brand. They sell this at Ulta, but go to TJ's because you're gonna get such a good deal. This was $20, and this is the big size compared at, are you ready for this? $40. What? Who's gonna pay that? So this is the Macadamia Natural Oils Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. I use this every time in the shower, like if I have it in stock, obviously. I like to use this as my conditioner because it's so hydrating for my hair, and I have high porosity hair, so it just absorbs all the moisture it can get. I got 2 of them. I could not pass this up. This is just an essential. I've been using this, oh my gosh, since I started my YouTube channel, I feel like, and I keep going back to it because it works for me, and it smells so good. It lingers in your hair too, and it keeps it really moisturized. So I had to stock up on that. And then everything else is just from Target. So I, of course, went to the home section and I got this room spray. I think I fell in love with the packaging for the most part, and it intrigued me to smell it. And this, honestly, the scent reminds me of Brandon's apartment. I don't know, when I smell this, I think of him. And it's the bergamot fragrance. It's a room spray, and it's the Harmony, and the whole line is very spiritual. Like, this whole container is stone. Like, it's so pretty to look at. Oh my gosh, it's just warm. It smells so good. I just love anything that is gonna make my home smell comforting, you know? So this wasn't too expensive. I want to say it was like $10, and they had a bunch of different like fragrances. They had matching oil diffusers and matching candles, so I highly recommend you guys check out that little collection. I also had picked up some sleep gummies. These are essential for me just to get quality sleep at night where I'm not tossing and turning and all of that. This is made of like melatonin, so it's natural for the body, and I love how it tastes. I take it 30 minutes before sleep and I'm out like a light. I did pick up another lighter. Literally just finished mine off today. And then I found this. Oh my gosh, it's new. I don't know why, but I was like, let me see if they have a dairy-free hot chocolate. Like, what are the odds? So I grew up having this brand all the time at home, and it's made out of coconut milk, and it's dairy-free hot chocolate. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll make it in a vlog here on the YouTube, so make sure you guys subscribe for that taste test. But it has no artificial colors or flavors, no preservatives, and there's 6 per container. This was maybe like $5 or so, and I'm so excited. Made with non-fat dried coconut milk. I don't know, I think this is gonna be a hit for sure. 150 calories per envelope. Oh wow, I'm so excited. I should have picked up some marshmallows to go along with it, but I'm gonna head out actually to Trader Joe's. I know that they have some there, so this will be super fun. I'm thinking for Vlogmas time. Are we gonna do Vlogmas? Is it too soon to be asking about that? Do you guys want Vlogmas? Drop a comment down below if you want Vlogmas, and put some Christmas emojis so I know what's up. But that is my little home haul from Target, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. I literally just bought the most random things, as you would when you go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods. So make sure you guys come back to the YouTube, subscribe if you want to see these things set up for my holiday home decor. You want to see some taste tests, you want to see some spa nights with these beauty items to see how they work, and if I would recommend them, all that kind of thing, you know. Come back to the YouTube channel. Don't let this be the last time that you stop by, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.